Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. You know, in Chinese, a certain character word could mean so many things or can be used in so many different vocabulary and phrases. And one of them is the word joyful, 喜. Joy is a very lucky and joyous word. So how can it be used in different phrases? For instance, 我们刚刚讲的喜就会跟结婚会联想在一起，
那就要喝喜酒啦。
对，喜酒 that means a wedding reception. Okay, 喜酒 which is actually joyful wine. Okay.
喜
酒 that means a wedding reception. 喜酒 okay, but literally if you tear it up, it's a joyful wine. 还有喜还有什么呢？
去到喝喜酒要跟人家恭喜恭喜。
对，恭喜恭喜 Congratulations. You also use the word joy. 恭喜怎么说？
恭喜。
恭喜。
海陆腔说恭喜。
恭喜。
恭喜。
恭喜 Okay, two different dialects in the Hakka language for congratulations. Alice, 我突然想到喜这个字有另外一个我们常常会用到的一个词。
什么词？
就是当你对一个女孩子印象不错的时候，又还没真的爱上她，就会说喜欢 I like someone, I like you. OK, 这个 like 喜欢怎么说嘞？
中医，
我还西医嘞。我要去看中医吗？我病了，对，喜欢一个人爱不到，喜欢不到就要去看中医，是这样吗？
不是的，
中医 this Chinese medicine.
中医
就是 like 的意思。
对呀。
我知道，跟广东话有点像嘛，对不对？在 in Cantonese they say 我中意你啊，对啊，就是我中意你嘛。It's very similar to Cantonese. 中意 that means like.
很好记哈。
很好记。喜欢还有另外一个地方可以用啊 ，like. I like my job. 我们现在就来造个句好了。Okay, how do you say I like my job?
我懂中医。
我懂中医 that means I like 我很喜歡。
我嘅工作。
我嘅工作 that's my 工作 job. 我懂中醫我嘅工作 that means I like my job and I really mean it. I love being here on Icrt. So with that said, let's go ahead and review all these terms. The wedding reception 喜酒喜酒 and then congratulations 恭喜 and finally like 喜歡中醫 There you go. A very joyful episode of We Love Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.